the time and commitment from our administration and staff to make this tournament run every year is highly commendable. So I'd just like to maybe get a short round of applause for everybody that helps us make the tournament run.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho! Hey, Coach, how you doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, good, good. You've been a good coach this year?
I've been as good as I can.
Awesome. No technicals this year?
I don't think so.
Oh, good, good. Hey, let's grab a seat over here. I want to see what you want for Christmas. Ho, ho, ho! Come here.
So you can handle me?
I think so, Coach. So, how's it going? You want something for Christmas?
I think every year you bring me the same thing.
I think so too. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Ho, 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 ho.
I like that you put my t-shirt.
That's good. Ho, 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 ho. All right.
There you go. Thank you very much.
Everybody have a good holiday. Ho, 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 ho.